What is up, everybody? It's Alex over here from Courtesy Jeep, presenting to you another one of our Pro Shop Rubicon builds. Now this one here is a brand new 2024 Rubicon Wrangler. What's special about this one is this comes from the factory with 488 gears. So no going to another shop to get gears done, no worrying about voiding warranty, all taken care of right out of the box. Now this one, we added 37-inch Nitto Trail Grapplers on 18-inch fuel wheels. Real nice touch there. Got our Fab 4 stubby front bumper that is winch ready. No cradles, no brackets, just plug and play on the winch. Now this is a little special because Mopar just released an updated version of their Mopar lift kit. This is a 2-inch lift kit with Bilstein Reservoir shocks. You can see the Reservoir out there in the front. Got the Bilstein shocks in the back. And not only do you get them in the front, but you also get them in the back. Jeep performance parts with Reservoir Bilstein shocks. Look at how stout that sits, and that is just a 2-inch lift with 37s. Got the Rugged Ridge heavy-duty adjustable tire carrier in the back. Will hold up to a 42-inch tire. Now, some wheels don't sit as well as they maybe should with that third brake light. So what we did to compensate for that is we added a ring light in the back. That way it lights up the whole wheel anytime you use that brake light. So you're still staying compliant, and you've got a nice little addition to that. Now this one over here already has the tow package, so don't need to worry about adding that. We've already got backup sensors, LED lights front and rear, as well as blind spot protection. These things are so sensitive, they'll even pick up a motorcycle before you see them. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. You got the little light up there in the mirror. Let's take a look on the inside of this bad boy. Keyless entry, might I add, so the key never has to leave your pocket. Go in on the inside. Got the hardtop headliner. Got the beautiful leather steering wheel in there. Let's turn this bad boy on for a second. Got adaptive cruise control, standard, obviously hands-free, push button start. This one's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, already has your aux buttons, so you don't have to worry about those. So adding any kind of extra lighting or anything extra is nice and easy with that. Got your front and rear lockers. Plus you have your off-road plus mode and your sway bar disconnect. Now this one does have the new updated radio, 12-inch screen. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, got your dual climate with your heated seats. And go into the vehicle and change your blind spot sensitivity and all sorts of stuff on there. Let's go back over here to the dashboard. Now you get the off-road pages in this one since it's a Rubicon, which is a nice touch. So you can see your rear locker, your front locker, as well as your center diff lock. So that's a really nice setup there. Go to your accessory gauges, you can check all of your temperatures and your pitch and roll. So you can see what degrees the Jeep is going when you guys are off-road. Very nice setup there. Let's take another look at the inside. Got your Rubicon stitching in there. Now I do like what they did with the lights. They changed them just a little bit, so now they're a little bit more pointed towards the individual seats that they were designed for. They're not just sitting there in the middle. I thought that was a pretty nice touch on there. Get your side curtain airbags in there, so we're upgrading in safety. And this one even has your SOS and assist button. It's a nice little touch. LED lights in there. Universal garage door opener, so you don't need to carry a spare. Let's go into the back. Got your auxiliary, extra USB ports in the back, as well as a power outlet. And check this out. Look at how nicely, just nice and sturdy with that 37-inch tire on the back. Got your bag in there to put your freedom panels in, as well as your 12-volt in the back. Perfect. This Wrangler's ready for anything you might want to do with it. Look how gorgeous that is. Love that new grille on the 24 Wrangler. Plus, I don't know if anyone's ever noticed, with this new grille, the reason they did this, on the 23s and older, they were solid right here in the middles. So now that they're open, you get a lot more airflow into that motor, as well as to cool off the condenser for the AC. Really nice touch there. So come check out this Jeep today. Come down to Courtesy Jeep and ask for J240433. Let's put this dream in your driveway today.